Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel where we help you make informed decisions for your Toyota 4Runner. If you're looking for the best seat covers for your Toyota 4Runner, then you've come to the right place. Whether you're looking to protect your seats from wear and tear or want to upgrade the interior of your vehicle, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing our top picks for the best seat covers for Toyota 4Runner. So, sit back and relax as we take you through the best options available on the market. Number 1. Transform your Toyota 4Runner's interior with Ecra car seat covers. These stylish and durable covers are the perfect addition to protect and enhance your vehicle's seats. The attention to detail and quality materials make for a snug and secure fit that will withstand daily wear and tear. The sleek design and perfect fit of the Ecra car seat covers will add a touch of luxury and comfort to your daily commute. Upgrade your ride with Ecra car seat covers and experience the difference for yourself. Number 2. Looking for a durable and stylish car seat cover for your Toyota 4Runner? Look no further than Kleid's car seat covers. Made from high-quality materials, these seat covers not only provide superior protection for your seats, but also add a touch of sophistication to your vehicle's interior. Whether you're looking to upgrade your car's style or protect your seats from wear and tear, Kleid's car seat covers are the perfect choice. So why wait? Order your set today and experience the ultimate in car seat protection and style. Number 3. PTYYDS Fit has revolutionized the car seat cover game with their innovative 2011 to 2023 car seat covers. Specifically designed for Toyota 4Runners, these covers not only protect your seats from wear and tear, but also add a touch of style and class to your ride. Crafted with high-quality materials, these covers offer a snug and comfortable fit, making your long drives a breeze. The installation process is quick and hassle-free, and the covers are easy to clean and maintain. If you're looking for a reliable and attractive car seat cover, PTYYDS Fit 2011 to 2023 car seat covers are definitely worth checking out. Number 4. Transform your Toyota 4Runner's interior with Oasis Auto car seat covers. These seat covers are a game changer, adding style and protection to your vehicle's seats. The high-quality materials used ensure durability and easy cleaning. The custom-fit design ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. The sleek design and comfortable feel of these seat covers will make you want to drive your 4Runner all day long. Protect your investment and elevate your driving experience with Oasis Auto car seat covers. Don't wait any longer to upgrade your Toyota 4Runner's interior. Number 5. Looking to give your Toyota 4Runner a new look? Look no further than the Lucky Man Club R06HU2 car seat covers. These stylish and durable covers are the perfect addition to any 4Runner, offering a comfortable and protective layer for your seats. With easy installation and a snug fit, these covers will make your car look and feel brand new. And with a variety of colors to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect match for your style. Upgrade your ride with the Lucky Man Club R06HU2 car seat covers today. In conclusion, finding the best seat covers for your Toyota 4Runner can make all the difference in protecting your vehicle's seats and maintaining their appearance. From neoprene to leather to custom fit options, there are many choices to consider when selecting the perfect seat covers. By considering factors such as durability, comfort, and style, you can find the ideal seat covers to fit your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and we hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights into selecting the best seat covers for your Toyota 4Runner.